Join us today as we go here at Eastern Leaf's grand opening here in Chino, California. Well, here we are at Eastern Leaf, his new location here in Chino, which is not too far away from his old location, but this is awesome. This is almost 3 acres probably. All the way, it goes all the way down. He still has some really good items for stratas, and looks like 5 gallons. And a whole mess of them. He's ready to roll. Look at this. He has his display trees on this side. Today is pretty special. It's their official opening. It goes from 10:30 to 4:30. So if you're out in the Chino area, come please support. There's the man putting it together. Thank you, Jason. I'll talk to you a little bit.
Okay, cool.
He's probably excited. I know he's probably excited. So some small Scott's Pine. This is really cool. You know, it's really smart. He actually has everything in QR codes. So if you don't know what these are, he actually has them all labeled for you. Especially if you're beginning bonsai, you have a great opportunity to look at the species, understand some stuff. Again, he has some big olives here, more prostratas in the back. That's really cool. He built the shed. I think he's going to be moving the old location to here eventually. Has a tokonoma. Look at that one. That's kind of cool. Pretty much everything that was in Eastern Leaf is over here now. It's Big Joe, his little store. So if you're looking for tools, it's a great place. You got some other stuff over here for your enjoyment. It's kind of cool. That's little signs. Check out. I'm just doing a quick walkthrough here. He is growing stuff out here. So these things are pre-bonsais in pots. If you're looking for something like that, he has plenty. There's succulents over there if you need succulents. Pretty much anything you had at the old store, it's pretty much over here. Sprinkler system all set up to go. You had some pots if you're looking for some pots. Then you had some pots over here ready for it to go. Pretty awesome location, you know. Just the space to be able to do this, and to walk around. I mean, you have some display streets here. Staghorn ferns, if you're looking for staghorn ferns. Man, this guy's there, a little bit of everything. I like this. A little, I like the sign right over the old house here. This must be his private collection area. Still not finished yet, but just gave you an idea of scope. This is actually really cool. Especially if you're designing something from the ground up, especially a nursery from the ground up. This is really actually pretty cool. Doesn't have a straight structure, shade structure yet, but I bet that's coming in soon. These are probably his trees. Some really cool items here. Oh, some cork bark and pots ready. He's still building. You can see he's still building out here. That's an old chicken coop probably. Love the double stack. Makes more room for everything. At least I can get a hand of Jason here, and then we'll call it a day. Really short video here today.
Anytime. All right. Hey, I'm Jason. Welcome to my nursery. My new place. I just opened. When did we open? Today is our grand opening,
which is Saturday, July 29.
Yeah, and so you know, if you're looking for trees, if you're looking for material, we're here. We got tools, we got soil, and all that good stuff.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Oh, that was.
If you guys like to support Eastern Leaf and their grand reopening here in Chino, I'll leave the information in the description below. But their hours right now are from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Of course, you can probably contact them. If you guys like the videos, like and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.